Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota BZ4X. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate cruise control, lane assistant, and we can manage cruise control and lane assistant. Also we can change distance from following car for cruise control and enable adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. Next, thanks to this button, we can change radio station and radio band. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster. We can change volume of the radio, and in the end, we can activate voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.